last episode, I have explained how to reach Kaza and explore the nearby destinations and where to stay in Kaza. In case you haven't seen it, I have attached the link above. So this was our last day in Spiti and we were heading back to Rekongpio. That means it was time to say goodbye to our Kaza family.
यूसी भैया झूले जाने का टाइम आ गया. मैं सबको बाय बोल कर देती हूँ. झूले बाय 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 शिखर. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट पता नहीं कहाँ कब.
तो सब ठीक है but right now we are going to Pin Valley. So basically Mood is 50 kilometers away from Kaza in the Pin Valley. तो मेरी फटती है पर ठीक है. मेरी आंखों से समझ नहीं आ रहा कि मेरी फटती है. We saw some villages with just a population of 30 people. Not only was I in love with the village, but also the roads.
ये तो धोबी घाट लगा हुआ है पूरा. So unfortunately one of our friend got some infection in her eyes and so currently we are in the Pin Valley and we have found one hospital, a small hospital here. Hopefully it can be little helpful.
Fortunately, she was relieved after her first medicine dose, so we happily headed towards our first destination. One of the remotest village of Pin Valley is Mud village, having a population of around 250 people.
आप यहीं से? कैसा चल रहा है आपका? अभी तो खुला नहीं होगा ना कुछ भी? सब बंद है. आपका नाम? नमजल वर्मा. अच्छा बढ़िया. मैं तो प्रोनाउंस नहीं कर पा रही.
Pin Valley is not operational. If you are coming to this village right now, the Tara homestay, the famous one, it's all closed. So there can be just one day trip. You have to eventually land up to Kaza or any other place to stay during winters.
Too wild. तो स्टोव से क्या कर रहे हैं?
चैम्बर गर्म करेंगे.
ओह चैम्बर.
जम जाता है इतनी डीजल की पाइपें टूट होंगी.
हाँ.
वगैरह जमा होगा वो भी खुल जाएगा.
आपको रोज ऐसे करना पड़ता है? मार्च तक ना. यहाँ पे भी पानी वानी का नहीं होगा ना? अभी तो पानी नहीं होगा.
पानी तो है.
आप पीने का आता होगा. रनिंग वाटर नलों में नहीं आ रहा होगा. आ रहा है? आता है. इनके तो नलों में आ रहा है पानी.
पानी बहुत अच्छा सोर्स है.
बढ़िया.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे. बहुत सुंदर है एकदम मूवीज की तरह.
We have just been to the last village of Pin Valley. Last year, na? Although we were starving and we didn't find any food to eat, we headed towards Dhankar Monastery.
Set my soul on fire. You pull my heartbeat towards the sun. You give me new eyes open.
प्रज्ञा तेरा एक्साइटमेंट कितना था अभी कैफे देख के?
बहुत ज़्यादा. मुझे भूख लगी है.
बहुत तेज मेरे को भूख लगी है और मुझे जाना. हम यहाँ की मोनेस्ट्री में कुछ खाएंगे बैठ के फिर.
Winter Spiti is little painful because none of the restaurants were open. Every next cafe was closed and we were literally starving and we wanted to pee, but unfortunately there was nothing we can do. So we were just finding some hidden spots
where we can do and relax ourselves. Right now we are heading towards Dankar Monastery, which I've heard it's been the most beautiful and the ancient one. Let's see how it is. The people right now here are a little surprised when they saw us.
आपका नाम
मेरा नाम अनु.
अनु है.
This monastery is actually locked between the rocky spurs at the top of the cliff in Dhankar village. This fort is basically 16th century old, which has also served as a prison in the erstwhile era, and it is over 1000 years old. हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. Man, I just love this place. The location, the people. How is it?
It was very beautiful.
Like when we came here, we were literally hungry,
Thirsty.
and we found everything. They offered us like mutter and some pakoda with some butter tea. And now our last destination was Tabo Monastery. It's all empty. We are the only one here. I'm just loving this winter spit, you know. I'm just loving it. It is noted for being the oldest continuously operating Buddhist enclave in both India and Himalayas. Spread over an area of 6,300 meters, can you believe this monastery has 9 temples and gompas? And you know what? During the main season, you can actually live in their dormitories. Isn't it cool? So currently we are at Nako, and one thing you must definitely note when you are coming right now, that carry some food in your car or whatever the medium is, because hardly you will find any joints where you can have some normal food, like normal. We started from Kaza, and Tabo pe there was just one shop which can give you basic general things, like a kirana store. You can have chips and all. Even water, they don't have water, because the supply is right now almost not there. After that, we have been tracking down. Luckily in Dankar we got nice food from the monastery only. We had some great food, but till Nako we didn't had anything. And after hours of tapasya, we have finally found this cafe where we can have Maggi and coffee and momos and chowmein. फाइनली हमें खाना मिल रहा है. लेमन टी.
तुम भी लेमन टी लो.
हाँ
मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
खा लूँ.
मेरा तड़का मैगी आ रहा है.
I'll try to have another amazing trip, maybe after a few months, where I will work from Spiti. Tomorrow we're gonna just track back to Manali, and that's the end of Spiti trip. I hope you liked my video. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until then, take care. डॉक्टर मेरे को यहाँ का पूछना था, इस गांव का जैसे कोविड एंड ऑल का कैसा सीन है अभी गांव में? किसी को
तो नहीं है. बीच में हुआ था हमारे यहाँ पे, मतलब एकदम ही केसेस, मतलब कोई 50-30 इतने केसेस आ गए थे.
इसी गांव में आ गए थे?
इसी गांव में 30-40 केस थे. फिर दूसरे गांव में भी आए.
हाँ.
फिर कुछ गांव वालों ने डिसाइड किया था कि हमने चेकअप नहीं कराने, तो ऐसे अदरवाइज तो 60 के केसेस आए थे हमारे पास टोटल. और ठीक है, अच्छे से कंटेन हो गया, किसी को मेजर कुछ हुआ नहीं सर.
है।